Mommy Milkers.
Crap, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Eat your heart out, Zach Faree, if that's your name. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, somebody close the door fully. I have it. Oh, good gravy, that's heavy. Okay. Behold. I need that cardboard intact, actually. Behold. Eat your heart out, ZTT. Just kidding, Zach, dude. Love the content. But I win. It's mine. It's... Okay. This thing was stuck in customs for so long. And actually, as of the day that I have this, I was on the Meta PC's stream on Twitch, and I told Jared at Meta PCs, I'm like, hey dude, check this out. My FLP02 is coming in the mail today. And he's like, dude, that's sick. So, I'll probably tag it Meta PCs in this video as well. Oh my goodness. Okay. I have been waiting for this thing since CES of this past year. This thing was actually, I was expecting to struggle with this a lot more. The claws have actually been pretty fun. I've never opened a box with them before, so this was a new experience. Okay. Oh my god, I can see it. Oh my goodness. Oh my... Ka-chow! Okay. It's face up. I don't know if Silverstone does this regularly, but it's face up. Look, you can see it. The key's not in there. I wonder... And this doesn't flip. I wonder if this only flips when the key's in place. I hope the came with the key. That would be nice. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's nothing else in this box. I just hit my ceiling fan. Okay. We're cooling. We're clear. Get it. Microphone. Oh yeah, it's got vertical GPU mount support. I don't have any way to mount the GPU vertically, but it's there. I might be one of the first people. I'm probably among the first people in the country of the United States of America to have one of these things. We're gonna move it over just a touch. Just a touch. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Ah, static. Oh. And that should be I/O. Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Ooh, hello. And that's got a back panel. You can probably see in the background. That's my first desktop. That case is balls. That I need to get it out of that case. That was supposed to be a temporary case, but two of the fans. It's a pre-owned case, and two of the fans are dead. So when two of the fans are dead. Oh yeah, the top comes off so you can put an AIO on it. Okay. But two of the fans are dead, and it has like no airflow. If you're interested in taking a look at it, I'll put whatever the title is. It'll be on screen. You'll see it. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I see instructions down in the PSU bay. This is warranty information. I wonder if it's in the cable bay? Oh, that might be it. Hey, well, let me see things here. Okay, cool. I was gonna say, I don't do these types of videos very often. There's a screw in the way. However, it seems like it's most of what I do these days. Oh, yeah. I can't. Somebody tighten that finger screw just a little too Okay, we get some hardware. Box empty. This was all that was in it. Get out of here. Still not seeing the key. Unless it's in here. Oh, it's in here. I got the key. Nobody make copies, please. That's my key for my PC. There we go. Okay, key's turned. I guess it just goes back to normal. Ooh. Okay. Turbo's a toggle switch. Reset's just a button. I guess this one's just a button too. It just goes back to normal. What's up with this? We'll take that off at the end. We'll take that off at the end. Oh wait. We'll take that off at the end. I'm gonna put my PC in this. I'm gonna put the actual computer in this. We'll be right back. It's only got the one PCIe by 16 lane. There we go. Okay, there we go. Okay. That's in. Where's my support bracket? It's better. It's better than nothing, but it's not a lot of anything, is what it is. Okay. So, theoretically now, I can. Don't fall, don't fall. Power connector. That's an Xbox power cable. Why do I have an OG Xbox power connector power cable just lying around? Why do I? Such is the life of somebody who wants to do things. So now, hopefully, where'd the key go? If I turn this key, unlock. Well, that tends to happen. Oh, hot dog. Okay. Cool. Okay. None of my fans are moving. That's a little concerning. It's turned on. So, the front panel connector is plugged in properly. Cool, that can't accidentally be turned off. Okay. Is that plugged in improperly? It was plugged in improperly by the manufacturer. Okay. But now... What? Oh, no, yeah, that's spinning. So now if I go over here and press the turbo button, that's going. Those are ripping. Hot diggity dog! Okay. It's not the cleanest thing in the world. It's not the best thing in the world, but by God does it work, and it's mine. You've got the outlet, and then the turbo. Okay. And then the fan's turned down. That's going. How do I access the... Okay. Push this back a touch. Take this off. Okay. And then this. Does this hold in this front panel? It does. Okay. And I'm guessing this is how you can swap out... Oh, that's the filter. Okay, cool. So then the front panels are... Ah, I can't drop it. Okay, front panels are ripping. Okay. I don't know how well this is going to show up. Okay. So, actually, with the frame rate, it's going to look really good. Now we hit the turbo button. Turbo's going. You can see it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's go and get it plugged into the monitor and see if it works. Okay. And now here we are at the gamer station. Twix wrapper out of the way. Okay. It's on a standing desk, just so it's not on the carpet. That's temporary. It's not going to be one of those things like, oh, there's nothing more temporary than there's nothing more permanent than a temporary solution. That's not what's happening. That's not... Oh, excuse me. That's not happening. No, I have, like, no room in here. That's not happening. But we got the keyboard, the 8-bit DOE retro keyboard. Let's And then I got the freaking adapters plugged in. Got the matching mouse. In the old ass monitor. Okay, let's turn it on to the 2.4. And then I just had the keys. There it is. Okay. Okay. And then yes. Okay. So this has a 13th Gen i5 in it. That's pretty cool. I got it out of an old OEM. The motherboard, I did update the BIOS on the motherboard. So the motherboard, oh, that's cool. I didn't notice that. So the motherboard is flashed with the latest BIOS, so that it's not going to kill my CPU. Eventually, I will go full ATX motherboard, AM5, just because, you know, why wouldn't we use AM5? And there it is! There it is, it's working, if it'll focus. It was showing like 1,000 frames per second on launch. I wish I caught that. Ooh. Okay. I'm not gonna do the full anything and everything. I'm not gonna do the full, like, oh, this is the 1% lows. Like,
now, what's been, you big penis man? I hear you asking yourself, how did you manage to get such a case when the likes of Meta PCs and ZTT haven't been able to do that yet? And I say, even though they are thousandaires at the very least and accomplished in their own rights, I did something that clearly nobody else did. I emailed Silverstone customer support. I did. I really did. I'll show receipts later this evening or tomorrow. You're gonna have to subscribe to see those. But yeah, no, I just emailed Silverstone customer support. I'm like, hey, when's this coming out? Where's this at? And that was on a Saturday night. The next Tuesday, they're like, hey, so it's on pre-order at the end of, it's coming out at the end of this week, but this company, Ava Direct, has it on pre-order right now, so you can order through there. And I'm like, cool. Type shit, bet. So I took the link that they sent, and I bought it then and there. And then I got stuck in customs for several weeks because of the government shutdown. So that was fun. But ultimately, the case, it's not hard to work in. If I were smarter, it would have been a lot easier. However, that was literally, I took the components out of my first built PC and put it into the case that I've been waiting for since CES. We've all been waiting for it since CES. Come on, let's be real here. But yeah, so in your face, Mr. Zach Pharrell Williams. How do you say your name? But yeah, no, I've got the case. One of the first in America to have it. Probably one of the only in America to have it. So, up yours. You want to know where to get it? It's up your butt and around the corner. No, but for real though, it's sick. I love it. I will be putting new components in it as the years go by. Main channel video hopefully coming out soon enough, so go check that out. And then if you want to go follow me on Twitch, I stream there sometimes. But I've still got to finish my current video that I'm working on, that I've been working on since March. And then I got to move everything over to this desktop because I got a lot of stuff over on my laptop that's not exactly usable on desktop at this very moment. So I got to get all that figured out. But when I do, it's going to be sick. I also need a better monitor, but that's its own thing. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.